What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is GadgetBeard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video we have the absolutely 10 first things to do when you get your Samsung Galaxy S10 device. Now these are just tips and tricks to make the experience a lot better and get a little bit more out of your device. So number one is change your launcher and app drawer to a 5x6 grid. It's normally a 4x4 or 4x5, and it makes the icons look super huge like this, very cartoony. Even if you go into your app drawer, you see these icons are huge, very kiddish like. I don't like that, so let's change it to a 5x6, and we do that by holding in the empty space, going to home settings screen, and then right here is your screen grid layout. So what you want to do is click on the first home screen, 4x6, apply, bam, look at that, nice and small icons, very good. Let's go back again, hit the same setting, let's go to app screen grid for your app drawer, and let's go to 4x6 and that, and look at that, very nice and clean. Now everything looks very nice and clean, as you can see. Now the number two thing what you want to do is you want to select your theme. Are you going to go to the dark side and save battery, or you're going to stay in the light theme and live on the edge? Now you're either going to be a Sith or a Jedi. Let me show you how to do that. So you're going to go pull down here, let's go into settings, let's go into display, and there's a tab here that says night mode. So what we're going to do is you're going to enable it, bam, look at that, all your settings, all your tab, your pull down notification shade is all very dark theme. Now what this does is helps you preserve that battery life for the device, but for me personally, I'm not gonna rock with that because it does not go with my wallpaper. My wallpaper is very cartoonish, Simpsons, so I kind of feel like the white theme fits a lot better for me. That's just my preference at the moment until I change that wallpaper. Speaking about wallpapers, you want to choose the proper wallpaper that hides that camera cutout. There's a variety of amazing wallpapers out there to choose from that cater to the Galaxy S10's new cutout. For example, this one right here, as you can see, it's holding a little donut, but inside the donut is the camera cutout, and that is amazing. I also have other examples like Baymax. You can do Baymax, you can do the Death Star. There's plenty of awesome wallpapers out there that cater to that cutout there, so it makes your phone look very, very cool. I personally like this Simpsons one, but I'm probably gonna change it later on so I can switch over to the dark theme so I can preserve that battery life. Make sure you just Google some wallpapers, and I'm pretty sure you won't have no problems finding the right one for you. The fourth thing you want to do is choose either navigation gestures or classic navigation button layout. In order to do that, so we want to go back into the menus, we want to go to advanced features, scroll all the way down, you'll see something that says navigation bar. Just click on that navigation bar there, and this is going to give us navigation buttons, which I currently have and rocking right now, or full gestures. This is full gestures. Basically you slide up on each tab to either go back, home, or multitask. Now this doesn't have Android Pie's native navigation gestures. This is Samsung's own navigation gestures. I kind of didn't like them because when you swipe from the edge, if you have what's that feature, that mistouch feature, if you have that mistouch feature turned on, it kind of reads that as a mistouch and it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, and you kind of gotta hit it twice. Got a little bit annoying. I went with navigation button and I just kept it classic until they fix that issue. Then I'll probably try it out again. This is how you choose your navigation, either navigation gestures or you're going to go with the navigation buttons. Number 5, we want to go down to our navigation shade and quick toggles, and we want to enable Dolby Atmos. This does not come enabled out of the box, so you want to make sure you enable Dolby Atmos for a better sound experience. Number 6, we want to go back into settings, you want to go back into display, and we want to change our screen resolution to 2K. The phone comes out of the box set at 1080p by default, so what we want to do is change it to 2K so you can take advantage of the phone's crispiness when watching videos. So you want to set it at 2K. Number 7, while we're on here, we want to go back to advanced features, and I believe we want to enable video enhancer. Now video enhancer, what it does is enhances a picture for a better image quality experience. It gives you that HDR kind of look and stuff like that. It pops the colors. So we just want to go ahead and enable that, because also it comes disabled by default out of the box. So we want to enable the video enhancer to provide that better image quality experience when watching video. Okay, now while we're still in the advanced features menu, we want to go up here where it says reduce animations, and we want to enable reduce animations. What this does is it's gonna provide a snappier experience. I think it cuts down the animation process time just by a little bit, so it makes the phone feel a lot faster and snappier. Number 9, let's go back into our notification quick toggles, and we want to know where we can locate wireless power sharing. It's located right here. You want to know where you can easily access it, so whenever you need to charge either your Galaxy earbuds that came with the phone for free when pre-ordering, or if you need to give somebody a little bit of juice just so they can make it through the day, you want to know where exactly to access that feature, and it's located here in the quick toggles under wireless power share. All you got to do is enable it, click it on, and it's going to walk you through a quick motion and show you how to properly charge somebody else's device or another device. Let's go ahead and cancel. Number 10, when setting up your fingerprints, make sure you hold the phone in your hand like you normally do. Place your finger on the scanner as you would normally do as well for a more accurate reading to mitigate failed attempts. Now you are going to get failed attempts, but if you register your fingerprint the way you normally hold the phone, it's going to mitigate those failed attempts, and you're going to get a better reading on that fingerprint reader. That is number 10. That's the absolutely most important tip, I think, right now, because a lot of people are having a lot of issues with that fingerprint reader. But if you do that and also register it twice, same finger, register it twice, and it's just going to work a lot better. Now, some bonus features here. I personally don't like the Samsung internet browser, so what I did is I just made Google Dev Chrome my default web browser, and that's a bonus one. And I also don't like the Samsung keyboard, so I'm gonna make the Google keyboard my default. I have been trying this, it's just too much stuff everywhere. Those are two bonus things. Change your keyboard to Google Keyboard and change your browser to Google Chrome Dev. Thanks for watching. If you guys know any more of tips and tricks that you did to your Samsung Galaxy S10, please leave them in the comments below so we all know and we can share it across the board. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.